Electronics like cell phones, computers, radios, TVs are items Kenyans have come to rely on daily for work and communication. What many do not know is that these products make up the bulk of electronics that have the potential to cause the most environmental damage because of their hazardous components. In fact, many do not consider them as waste once they become obsolete. Kenyans have a propensity to seek bargains. What they do not know is that most of the computers shipped in the guise of electronic donations are actually machines at the end of their lifespans, often in violation of the international law. A baseline e-waste study conducted in Kenya estimates that about 3,000 tons of PCs, monitors and printers were discarded in the country in 2007. The inspections of 18 European seaports in 2005 found as much as 47% of waste destined for export, including e-waste, was illegal. The worrying thing is that statistics show that up to a quarter of the e-waste exported are unusable. This causes a major crisis because foreign countries are exploiting loopholes of environmental instruments in Kenya.
Once we are through with the revised policy on environment, the general environment policy, then we will have provisions of e-waste embedded into that particular policy.
However, there is hope. An organization, Computer for Schools Kenya, has come up with an initiative to recycle computer parts and different electronics. The electronic waste recycling plant in Embakasi has the capacity to recycle more than 2,000 electronic gadgets per month. Currently, only about 300 find their way to this plant, the rest lying in various dump sites around the country, a hazard to the environment. Electronic waste contains a lot of lead, mercury and cadmium that leach into the soil and cause multiple toxic problems. Electronic waste dumped in landfills are a major health risk to residents. They become at risk of contracting cancer, respiratory and skin disease due to poisonous byproducts of these metals.
This type of heavy metals will not be released by the body system because when they are ingested, they are withheld within the body system.
Currently, it is free to take your used up electronics to the computer plant in Embakasi, where it is cannibalized and the parts used to fix other machines like TV screens or transformed into fencing poles. However, there are some parts which cannot be recycled locally, like the monitors and motherboards. These are usually sent abroad to Norway, a country which has safe mechanisms of recycling.
The government of Norway has allowed us to ship up to 50,000 tons. And this is a big assistance to this country. We are sure we will not have any problems with the monitors for the next 5 years.
Kenya loses money in sending them to Norway, so funds are needed so that it can be done locally, because there are metals like gold and silver that could benefit the economy.
Yes, we are losing on that, but we should not forget that when we export, we are better off exporting them than actually dumping them into our environment.
Kenyans can, however, in their small way contribute to making e-waste less of a challenge by supporting companies that make clean products, thinking twice before buying a new device, and returning your equipment to the manufacturer when you are done with it. Olivia Okech, Citizen TV.